The new king of mobile shooting, Google Pixel 4 went on sale, although the announcement has not yet taken place. Black, white and pink, Google Pixel 4 and Google Pixel 4 XL pose at large official renders. Several insiders confirm that Google Pixel 4 and Google Pixel 4 XL smartphones are already on sale, although there are still a few days left until the official announcement. British online stores offer a version of Google Pixel 4, which is equipped with 64GB of non-volatile memory in 3 colors, black, white and orange, for £666. The well-known network informant Roland Kunt officially confirmed that he had personally acquired Google Pixel 4 in one of the stores, but so far they hadn't delivered the smartphone to him, so photos and videos would be a bit later. Meanwhile, the Best Buy store is taking pre-orders the Google Pixel 4 smartphones. The official presentation of the Google Pixel 4 and Google Pixel 4 XL is scheduled for October 15 this year. Only a few days are left before the premiere of Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL smartphones, so it's time to merge their real official renders into the network, which is what two insiders did. The size of the images allows you to see all the details. Despite the fact that quite a lot is known about the Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL, smartphones are still carry a lot of surprises. For example, most recently on the web, there were gorgeous photos taken by Pixel 4 in macro mode. And there are also rumors about preparing versions with a built-in 5G modem. In general, many new details are expected. All or almost all cards will be revealed on the day of the official premiere, October 15. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, peace out.